Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of Git, the most widely used version control system in software development industry. Whether you are new to Git or looking to enhance your understanding, this video is for you. Let's get started. Let's assume that we are a team of 4 members working on a project, DevOps Unleashed. First, I'm asking developer John to code the homepage for the project. Next, I'm going to ask Mary to code the profile page for the project. With Git, we can seamlessly integrate both the codebase of John and Mary with each other. We will have a history of what changes John made and what changes Mary made to our codebase in DevOps Unleashed project. Next, we are tasked with creating a messenger for our project. We have assigned Simon, our junior developer, for this task. Simon has completed the activity. After a few months, we have hit an error with the project. After the last commit, the website is crashing. We have identified a bug in the last commit that was made by Simon. With Git, we can easily revert to the time in history where Mary has completed the account page. Once we fix the bug in Messenger, we could add it back. So in short, why we use Git? Git maintains a history of every version. Git can tell us who committed which part of the code and when they had committed it. We can undo changes easily. And what is Git? Git is a distributed version control system that allows multiple developers to collaborate on a project while keeping track of changes made to the codebase. It provides a history of all changes, enables easy branching, merging, and facilitates efficient collaboration among team members. The key concepts. Here are a few essentials. Repository. A Git repository is a central storage location where all the project files and their history are stored. Commits. Commits are snapshots of changes made to the codebase. Each commit represents a specific set of modifications and is accompanied by a unique identifier. Branching. Git allows the creation of branches which are independent lines of development. Branches enable developers to work on their separate features or bug fixes without interfering with the main codebase. Merging. Merging is the process of integrating changes from one branch to the other. Git provides various merging strategies to help to handle conflicts and combine code changes seamlessly. Remote repositories. Remote repositories are copies of the project stored in remote server. They enable collaboration between developers and facilitate the sharing of code. If you have any further questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. We value your feedback and look forward to hearing from you. Stay tuned for more informative videos on software development and DevOps.